guys, today we're going to go onto an amazing app. I'm going to do a few videos to show you, and over here it's like a little cat face icon with blue around it, and it has tiny writing and it says ScratchJr. Then you just need to press it, and then you see it's surrounded in blue. And this button, the question mark, will give you some ideas. Well, use your mum and dad for help with that, because you won't really can read so much. And then press the home button, and here are all of your projects. Then press the plus sign. Oh, look, it's cat. Over here is our background. For example, I'm going to choose jungle and press a tick, and this can move all around and it'll be always there, the cat. And over here is the blue button and the yellow. So if you press one of these, this means touch, 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 touch. This is the green flag, but we're going to learn the touch later. And here is the green flag. We're going to go to the blue, and over here we've got a forward step. It can go forward. Look, if you press the green flag, it goes 1, but it repeats. It can also go backward. And this, if you tap of these are very important. These make it go forward. Look, if you start from the cat over here, and it will go forward more, and then it can go backwards. And you can also press the green flag over here. If you have a little mistake for the scenery button, picture button, background button, whatever you can call it, it's like the little tiny icon. And when you press it like this, you can find stuff. And if you press the cross, nothing will happen. It will stay back to normal. That's all for today's lesson. As I told you at first, I'll do a few videos. And also, in the next video, you're going to have a very, very exciting thing. How to learn it to jump. Goodbye.